Imagine this scenario. You've taken the courageous step to seek therapy. You walk into the session full of hope, perhaps a little nervous, and ready to start a journey to better mental health. But as the sessions unfold, a disconcerting feeling emerges. You don't quite click with your therapist. What do you do if you don't like your therapist? Let's explore this situation with all its layers and nuances. Firstly, it's important to understand that therapy is a highly personal experience. The relationship between you and your therapist is a critical component of the healing process. Studies consistently show that the connection between the therapist and the client significantly impacts the success of therapy. This is often referred to as the therapeutic alliance. You might be wondering what reasons could lead to a disconnect with your therapist. Reasons can vary widely. It might be a difference in communication style. Maybe you prefer a more direct approach while your therapist is more reserved. It could also be a mismatch in therapeutic techniques. For example, your therapist may focus heavily on cognitive behavioral therapy, but you find mindfulness practices more beneficial. Sometimes it could be something as simple as personality differences. Maybe you like a bit of humor mixed into serious conversations, and your therapist keeps a serious, professional tone. Understanding why you feel this way is crucial. Reflect on the specific aspects of the therapy that don't resonate with you. Is it the therapist's approach, or are you uncomfortable with diving into certain topics? Identifying the root of the discomfort can provide clarity and inform your next steps. Upon recognizing a disconnect, the next step is communication. This might seem daunting, but remember, therapists are trained professionals. Bringing your concerns to the table can be a powerful step in therapy. It can also provide an opportunity for your therapist to adapt their approach to better suit your needs. A good therapist will appreciate your honesty and work with you to improve the therapeutic experience. However, if after discussing your concerns nothing changes, or if the discomfort persists, it might be time to consider a change. Remember, your mental health journey is about you. If you feel that your progress is hindered, it's okay to seek a different therapist. It's important to find someone with whom you feel comfortable and understood. Switching therapists is not an admission of failure nor an indication that therapy isn't for you. It's quite the opposite. It's an affirmation that you value your mental health enough to find the right fit. There are many approaches to therapy, and with a vast array of therapists available, finding the right one is possible. When looking for a new therapist, consider what didn't work in the previous relationship and seek a therapist with a different style or methodology. For instance, if you felt your last therapist was too passive, look for someone with a more active, engaging approach. You might also consider trying out a few therapists before settling on one. Many therapists offer initial consultations which can give you a sense of their style and approach. Additionally, don't overlook logistical factors. Sometimes, elements like appointment times, location, or payment options can add to the strain of an already challenging situation. Ensuring these align with your needs can prevent additional stress. The journey of finding the right therapist can be frustrating, yet it's also rewarding. The right therapist acts as a guide, helping you navigate the complexities of your mental landscape, offering insights, and supporting you as you work towards your goals. In the context of personal growth, the right connection can provide the space for significant breakthroughs and profound healing. In conclusion, disliking your therapist is not uncommon and does not reflect a flaw in you or your commitment to improving your mental health. Therapy is a personal journey, and just like any journey, it requires the right companionship to make it worthwhile. Remember, your mental health is paramount. Advocate for yourself, communicate your needs, and don't hesitate to explore other options if necessary. The right therapist is out there, ready to support you on your path to well-being. So, if you find yourself in a situation where you don't connect with your therapist, take it as part of the learning process in your mental health journey. By seeking what truly works for you, you're not just finding a therapist, you're discovering more about yourself. And that's a significant step towards healing and growth.